daily maintenance schedule is to clean the interior of the machine. This should be done at least once per shift if multiple shifts are run. This is typically done one of two ways: wearing the appropriate face protection, safety glasses, and/or face shield. Use a low-pressure wand to blow off the robot, clamps, and bearing rails from the front and rear of the machine. You may also use a shop vac to sweep out these areas. Once the vinyl chips are blown or swept into the bottom pans, remove the bottom pans and sweep them out with a shop vac.